Hello everyone. Welcome to Oracle Cloud Tech Talks. In this video we will cover what OIC is, the different services it offers, the key components that make it tick, and how the development lifecycle unfolds within the realm of Oracle Integration Cloud. Let's get started. What is OIC? Oracle Integration Cloud. OIC have the power to perform following functionalities: integrate cloud and on-premise applications, automate and gain insight into business processes, develop visual application using SFTP server for file storage, exchange business document using B2B trading partner, PaaS, platform as a service, provided by Oracle. What are the different OIC services? Integration Cloud Service, ICS, OIC. This product lets you connect securely to applications and services both in the cloud and on-premises. Process Cloud Service, PCs, a process automation tool used to design, automate and manage business processes in the cloud. Visual Builder Cloud Service, VBCS, allows you to rapidly create and deploy web and mobile applications directly from the browser with minimal coding required. What are the components of OIC? Integrations, connections, lookups, packages, agents, adapters, libraries. What is the development lifecycle followed in OIC? First, we need to create the connection. Second, create the integrations. Third, map the data. Fourth, monitor once the integrations is done. These are the key lifecycle followed in OIC. In the upcoming Oracle Cloud Tech Talks on our YouTube channel, expect to delve into these subjects as long as your support continues. Kindly subscribe, like and share Oracle Cloud Tech Talks for more videos. See you soon.